Hey, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to share with you how you can promote Clickbank products for free using Twitter. Alright, so be sure to stay tuned. My name is Royal Ward. If this is your first time ever tuning into my channel, do me a favor, entrepreneur. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I come out with future videos. So let's get right into the laptop so I can show you exactly how you can start promoting Clickbank products on Twitter for free and start earning commissions. Let's get right into it. All right, so I assume that you already know what Clickbank is. It is an affiliate marketplace where you can find digital products to sell, and it's pretty much partnering with a product owner and promoting this product and earning a percentage of the commission. And if you're in a part of the country that does not offer Clickbank, this method also works for JVZoo products, ShareASale products, and also Warrior Plus products. The product doesn't necessarily matter, but the method that we're going to use applies to any type of product for Twitter, all right? And I'm going to show you guys how to find real people in real time on Twitter that have a problem and how you can potentially offer them a solution and get paid for it. So for this example, just sign up for Clickbank if you don't already have an account. It's free to sign up. And once you get inside the back office, you're going to want to click on Marketplace. And on the left here, you see all these different types of categories. There's products inside of them that you can use to make money with. And let's go to health and fitness, diet and weight loss. There we are. And you can search for results by gravity. Gravity pretty much tells you how popular a product is and if others are making money with this product also, which means it's a good product and other people are getting sales. And as you can see, we have custom keto diet. And as you can see the gravity, 342 people has recently made sales with this product in the last couple weeks. Then we have the smoothie diet, 21-day rapid result program. Now this I like. People that are looking to lose weight and just drink smoothies, they may be interested in this. So now that we found our product, let's go to Twitter. So this cool thing Twitter has is you can search in real time for people with real problems that are looking for solutions. So if you click on the search bar up there, let's get really specific and let's type in, I need to lose 10 pounds. And let's see what pops up. Now, if you click on latest, they're going to show you everything that just happened. Look at this. This is 25 minutes ago. All right. 25 minutes ago, guys, somebody posted this. I need to lose 10 pounds in 1 month. So what you do is just go right back to Clickbank or whatever product you choose, and you get your affiliate link that is tied to your account so that you can get paid. And they have even more resources right here at the affiliate page website. All right. So what you want to do, just as simple as it is, you click on promote and your account name is already going to be right there. You just click on generate hop link. And then you press this button to copy this link. And this is the link that you use to promote on Twitter. Now, before I send this lady a comment, there's a few things that you can do to make this process a little bit better. It's a little bit more advanced marketing. But one thing you could do is you could send this person to a capture page. Now, I make all my capture pages with lead pages because this is the drink that we're advertising, the smoothie diet. And they offer 75% commissions. If you click here to get the affiliate tools, this is where you get more in-depth information about the demographic, age 30 to 60, the sweet spot. They got the countries, mobile device, desktops. They got articles. They got different landing pages, weight loss for women, holiday weight loss, food warning. So they got all different types of websites that target different pain points that people are looking for. So they got email swipes. They got all this stuff that you can use at your disposal. So every sale that you make, you earn 75% just by referring someone to something that they're already looking for. So one thing you could do as an option is you can create a landing page so that you can market to them later and collect an email. Now you can collect emails and you can email them over time, selling them this product or even other weight loss products. Now you have a list of people that you can market to. And it can be as simple as, hey, My aunt was in the same position until she started drinking these yummy weight loss shakes. Check it out for yourself. And then just drop the link. Hey, my aunt was in the same position until she started drinking these yummy weight loss shakes. Check it out for yourself. And you can hit reply. And it's really that simple. Now we have found a person that's looking to lose weight within a month period of time. So she's serious. And we just offered her a solution. Now you can type anything in here and you're going to get results of people that are, look, 3 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 8 hours ago, I have 10 pounds I need to lose by November 7th. You got to go through the numbers. But if you do this, let's say you do this 50 times a day, spend an hour or two writing people, finding people with different problems. Now you can do this with anything. Let's say a person with 15 pounds. Look at this, 6 hours ago, I'm trying to lose at least 15 pounds. And you can do this with anything. I'm talking about makeup products. I'm talking about softwares. There's so many different things where you can just refer people to different products. If they click on it and make a purchase, you can earn a hefty commission. But this is a method to where you just got to go through the numbers. If you send 50 messages to different people every day, you're going to get a snowball effect. The curiosity is going to get the best of people. A certain percentage of people are going to click on it. And out of those people that click on it, a certain percentage are going to purchase something. So I just showed you guys on how to solve a problem for people, how to search in the search bar to get real-time people that are looking for stuff, and how you can offer them a solution. This is one of the easiest ways you can start making money online. All you need to do is just put in the work. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm and helps get my videos out to more people. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Other than that, keep growing, keep learning, keep bettering yourself and your craft as an entrepreneur. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.